Here is the step-by-step guide to getting your bundle active. Open the Mobily app and log in using your mobile number or your My Mobily ID. Look for a tab at the bottom or a section on the home screen titled Store. Select Prepaid Plans or Voice and Internet. For data-only bundles, select Internet Services or Data Bundles. Select your bundle, browse through the available offers. You can usually filter by daily, weekly, or monthly. Confirm subscription. Once you find the plan you want, tap on it to see the details. Then click the subscribe or buy button. Payment. If you have enough balance, it will be deducted immediately. If not, the app will prompt you to recharge using a credit card, Mada, or Apple Pay, Google Pay.